How to use promo codes on KLM Royal Dutch Airlines. Let's get started. Launch your preferred browser. Over here you're gonna find the search box, type in klm.com and then search for it. You will be directed to the official website of it. Now at the top right corner you will see the option of login. Click on that, provide your credentials and log in to your account. After you log in, you can book your flight. Provide the details for the flight. Select whether you want round trip, multi-city or the one-way. Then select the origin and destination. Provide the departure date. Also select the cabin class. Once you provide all the details for the flight, you can search for the flight. With that, different available flight options will appear. Go ahead and select the flight that you want to book. Then go through the booking process. And while you are in the checkout page, you will find the section of codes. Over there, you will need to type in your code and then confirm your flight. With that, the code will be redeemed and you will get certain amount as a discount in your flight. So this way, you can easily use coupon codes and promo codes on KLM Royal Dutch Airlines. That's a wrap for this video. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.